In this video, we will learn how to fix your not working mouse of laptop or your computer. So let's start. Okay, what you have to do is you have to first go to your search option. In search option, you will go to the device manager. In device manager, you will see these options. In device manager, you can see here is your mice and other devices. Just click it here and you will see that you are having this is HID compliant mouse. Each computer has different type of mouse. This is for HP computer or this is HP laptop. What you have to do is you have to double click on it. In double click, you have to check first that uh, whether your mouse is working properly. This will give you status the device is working properly. If this is not working properly, you have to then click hit here and driver, and then you have to its update driver. Remember that your system should be connected to internet for updating the drivers. So you can see that this is saying that the best driver for your install are already installed and it's working good. See, in the same way, you have to click it here and check it's this mouse. Again, click it here and it's update this driver. Okay, and in the end, update this one also. It will also first check its if device is working good. Then it means that software wise internally your mouse is working good. You can say that it should be updated. Okay, you can see that this in best drivers are already installed. In this way, your computer will start. This will take a refresh to update the driver setting, and your mouse will start working good. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe this channel for more latest videos.